Meet Nammalvar, the father of organic farming in India. Born in 1938 in Tamil Nadu, he dedicated his life to sustainable agriculture. Nammalvar grew up in Tamil Nadu, India. His early experiences in rural life shaped his passion for farming and environmental conservation. He devoted his life to promoting organic farming, emphasizing the importance of sustainable practices for a healthier planet. Nammalvar championed natural farming methods, avoiding chemicals. He believed in the power of nature to nurture crops without harmful pesticides. He conducted countless workshops and training sessions, educating farmers on sustainable practices and the benefits of organic farming. Nammalvar helped many farmers transition to sustainable practices, leading to improved yields and healthier crops. He was a strong advocate for environmental conservation and rural development, emphasizing the need to protect natural resources. Nammalvar preserved traditional farming knowledge, ensuring ecological balance and sustainability for future generations. Honored with numerous awards, Nammalvar's contributions to organic farming have left a lasting legacy. Nammalvar's legacy continues to inspire farmers worldwide. Join us in celebrating Nammalvar's life and work. Embrace sustainable practices today.